Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to attach a static list to your Hubspot campaigns quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First, go to Marketing and then click on Campaigns. This will take you to your campaign builder. You have two options: create a new campaign or open an existing one. For this example, let's open our current campaign. Click to open it and you'll see your campaign dashboard. Next, we need to add assets. Click on the Assets option, then choose Contacts List. Here, you'll see several options. You can create a new list or use an existing one. Click Actions, then Add Assets. Then select the list you want to attach. In this example, let's choose CDAS. Click on Assets, create it, and then save. Finally, select your static list from the dropdown and you're all set. And that's it. Your static list is now attached to your Hubspot campaign. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check the description for our Hubspot affiliate links. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.